Good morning muli mga Igan. Excited na ba kayo? Kasi kaming UH Barkada, excited na.
Wow, grabe na.
Ano ba? Acting na kami rito.
Siyempre, eto na ulit ang nag-iisang live teleserye sa umaga. Unang Hirit presents...
Ano Serye!
Sabay-sabay natin balikan ang nakaraang eksena sa pagitan ng magkapatid na J at V.
JV!
J at B. Nag-away yan eh.
V, talaga bang ipagpipilitan mo ang gusto mo? Hindi ka ba talaga makikinig sa akin?
Kuya, isa lang naman ang gusto ko eh. Na maramdaman kong hindi ako mag-isa. Yun lang.
V, pareho tayong nawala ng magulang. Bakit mo naman sinasabing pakiramdam mo nag-iisa ka? Nandito ako.
Kuya, never kitang naramdaman. Never!
Ngayon,
Ba?
heavy drama ah.
Ano na kaya ang mangyayari sa magkapatid?
Yan.
Mga kaibigan, narito na ang susunod na kabanata ng Ano Serye.
Lagi na lang kami nag-aaway ni Kuya. Hirap na ako at ngayon tumututol na naman siya sa pag-iibigan namin ni Tony. Ang bait-bait naman nun.
So this side.
Yes!
Hi, Shubi. My morning just became a lot more beautiful just because I saw you. Shubi, I have a question for you.
Ano yan?
Google ka ba?
Ha? Bakit?
Kasi you're everything I'm searching for.
Sabi ko na nga ba eh. Ano talaga, worth the wait. Oo. Dito pala. Grabe, ang layo mo na dyan. Nasa Japan ka ba? Oo, sana nilalapit mo. Sana nag-a-adjust yung kamay mo. Kaya natin to. Kaya natin to. Baka mabuo sa next year. Next year pa ito mabubuo. Next year pa ito mabubuo.
Ay! Ay, V, may pa-heart-heart pa kayo dyan. Ano to? V, alam mo naman, ako na yung tumatayo mong magulang. Bilang tatay mo na ngayon, hindi pwede sa akin ito pag-iibigan nyo na to. You, how long do you like my sister? How much? V, ang hirap pakausap.
I really like your sister. Kuya, sobrang talaga.
You just like my sister? I need you to love her.
We're getting there. Kuya, talaga, I really like your sister.
V, wala to. Mahina. Okay, if you really like my sister, I need to put you some examination. Ano ba yung examination? Do you know, pagsubok?
Yes po.
You know pagsubok?
Yes po.
Okay, I need to test you first. Come here, help me out.
Oh, give me this one.
This is my livelihood. Come on. Let's bring some fish. Your muscle
Whoa.
says you can do this as well. Here, Anthony. Come here.
Whoa.
Oh, come on, help me transfer the fish.
Here.
Come on. My God. Okay, dapat mapapakain ka nito, ha? Do you see yourself doing this for my sister?
Sabi ko, I will do everything and anything, Kuya. And I'm doing that now, di ba?
Sige, galingan mo na lang, galingan mo. You have to put more.
More. Sige
We
po.
have to sell
sige
a
po.
lot. Come on.
Okay lang?
More, we have to put more. My sister eats a lot, so I have to work hard. Oh, that's enough. Come on, let's bring this. Medyo, V, yung manliligaw mo. Come on. Your biceps are getting angry. God. Di, medyo... I think I'm starting to like you na. Your cowboy, your game.
Talaga.
Okay, but this time, I think you have my initial consent, ha? But that's not final, B, ha? I need to teach you how to feed my sister first, okay?
Sige po, game.
Come on, let's go.
Sana.
Let's carry this. All right, let's bring this to the working station. Mga kapuso, ayan. Tony. Eto, medyo pumapasa na yung bata natin, ha? Tony, I need to teach you how to
pa lang
cook.
yan.
Like I said, despite her figure, my sister really eats a lot. She's like a constru when she eats. I will
Oh,
teach
I know.
you. You know.
I know.
V, nilalaglag ka na kaagad.
Yes,
Oh.
Shubi eats a lot. So let's make a lot of food for her.
Definitely, and this is one of her favorites.
Escabeche.
We will be making escabecheng tilapia. Well, escabeche, if you're familiar with that. This is basically our sweet and sour take
Yes, yes.
on a international classic. So,
Let's do it, Kuya Jay.
all right. What basically dishes do you normally cook?
Actually, I like anything with rice, talaga.
Anything with rice, huh? All right. So here, we have hot pan and hot oil, and then we will be adding our ginger. Teka, napapa-English din ako dito sa katabi ko eh.
Grabe ka.
All right. So, at this point, pinababango lang natin yung ating mantika. Lalagay ko na rin yung ating carrots.
Nice, nice, nice.
So far, ano-ano na yung mga paborito mong pagkaing natikman dito sa Pilipinas?
Most definitely. Let's go. Honestly, it looks like today, the tilapia we have today. I
Okay.
really like fish. I really
All
like fish.
Then this is something that you should add into your favorites.
Siyempre, siyempre. Shubi is actually really healthy, so I like all of the vegetables that's being added in here.
That's good, that's good. So aside from making it healthier, we're making it more colorful.
Yes,
So that when you
yes.
serve it to your kids in the future,
Yes.
not right away.
Day
it'll be
by
a-
day, Kuya Jay. Too
Okay.
early, day by day.
Too early, too early. So we have the aromatics. We'll just add in our base for our stock. We have the water. And then our banana ketchup.
Nice.
So in foreign cuisines, they normally use tomato paste, tomato sauce. Here we use banana ketchup and also oyster sauce.
Yes, yes.
So let's add in a lot of pepper. And as a thickening agent, so we're basically doing our sauce because we pre-cooked our fish earlier
Yes.
while you were helping me out with my day job. All right? So once na thicken na or kumapal na yung ating sauce, let's add more pepper. Gusto ko may kick ng kaunti. Then, kailangan lang natin gawin is to pour or ibuhos natin dun sa ating fried fish.
Grabe.
So hindi ko na pinakita sa iyo yung magprito, ha. Dapat marunong ka. Do you know how to fry fish at least?
Siyempre.
Okay, very good.
Pero ganda ng color
Yes,
talaga. I
exactly.
really like the color.
Yun, that's the point. So Tony, kailangan mo tikman to. And remember, I'm the kuya. You have to be kind with your
Siyempre.
comment. Alright, try it.
Let's try, let's
Okay.
try.
Nakatikim ka na ba ng ibang tilapia dishes before?
Yes, I've had before.
Alright, good.
Kuya Jay,
Tingnan natin kung magugustuhan ito.
sobrang sarap talaga. Sobrang sarap.
Bolero pa. Si Shubi lang ang binobola mo, pati ngayon, kuya na rin, ha? Mukhang pasado, mga kapuso. Pasado dun sa manliligaw ng kapatid ko. Pero, this is not the final say yet, ha? Hindi pa po dito yung totoong hatol natin sa manliligaw ng kapatid ko. Mga kapuso, abangan nyo yan dito sa inyong pambansang morning show kung saan nandun una ka, ha?
Unang
hirit!
Bye, Shubi.
Teka,
Alam mo,
Shubi!
Alam mo to si Tony,
Ay!
nakalusot kay Chef to,
Oo,
ha?
okay, Chef.
Baka mo,
Dito,
marami kang dadaanan.
I still don't like him.
Ay!
Character, character.
Buong pamilya ko, Anthony.
Iisa-isahin niya. Kailangan ng approval.
Pilipinas.
Correct. Pero teka, Shubi, hindi pa natatapos dyan ang mga kaabang-abang na eksena. Eto na sa pagpapatuloy ng almoserya, sinusuyo pa rin ang manliligaw ni V ang Kuya Jay niya. Ang tanong, pumayag na kaya?
Go, 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 Tony. You can do it. Grabe na talaga yung linyahan natin dito.
Ano, okay na? Pumayag na si Chef?
Kumusta ka naman dyan?
Oh. Chef, pumayag ka na ba?
Water ka ba?
Ano yung, bakit?
Chef, pasado na ba?
Kasi my love for you is too big.
Hoy! Bring it on! Grabe na talaga itong kilig-kilig. Okay ka lang ba dyan? Okay ka lang ba siya? Punta ka na dito sa studio.
Oo nga, nang walang delay. Ayan.
Ano naman to? V, di pa rin kayo tapos? Diyos ko po, ang aga-aga, naglalandian pa rin kayo at nagliligawan.
Kasi ginagalit
Dapat
mo
to,
ako.
may harana to eh. Do you know harana?
Hindi po.
Oh, V, tuturuan mo to kung paano ang harana. Pero, sabi ko nga sa'yo, V, hindi pa tapos yung approval ko sa manliligaw mo, ha? Meron pa akong pagsubok sa'yo. Remember my examination for you?
Yes, I remember. Let's do
You
it.
said you're game, di ba?
Game.
Oh, eto.
Game.
O yan, ito yung hanap buhay ko. What you need to do, hanapan mo ko ng isdang gulyasan. Oh. What's with the blank face?
Game.
Ha?
Game. Whatever it is, Kuya Jay, I will do it.
Do you even know what gulyasan is?
Hindi po.
Ayun.
Pero you tell me.
Of course. Oh, gulyasan, it looks like tuna.
Like a tuna.
Oh, you can pretty much differentiate which one is tuna and which one is not, right? Oh, look for at least 5.
5.
5 tuna, come on.
Talaga. Oh. Come on.
Ba, may cheerleader ka pa dito, ha?
Isa.
Okay.
Let's see here. Whoa! Dalawa.
Ba?
Let's see. Tatlo.
Tatlo na, oh. Ba?
Oh,
Pwede to,
come on. Saan,
Oh,
saan?
yung mga cheerer natin, ba't na... i-cheer nyo yung maliligaw ng
Oh.
kapatid ko.
Apat.
4. Oh.
Come on.
Isa na lang, isa na lang.
Oh,
Oh, mukhang nabili na yung isa ko
this one's
kanina
hiding
dyan,
for me.
Ayun. Oh.
5!
Oh, Shubi, tingnan mo muna.
Kuya Jay, come on. I told you I can do it.
5. Okay, gulyasan ha. At least,
Nagbilang
ngayon,
siya?
pamilyar ka na sa gulyasan. Importante kasing matutunan mo yung ginagawa ko eh. Ang kapatid ko, kilig na kilig dyan, oh. Tangnan mo naman to. O sige, patingin nga ako ng kwan. Kilala mo naman ang bangus.
Bangus, where?
Milkfish.
Ah, okay. Milkfish.
Paborito nating lahat yan. O sige, hanap ka dyan. It's silver skin or
Silver-
scaled.
Silver scale.
Oh. This one, you know this already, di ba?
Hindi po.
Oh. O sige,
Silver
mamaya, tuturuan kita. O, sige, I'll teach you later. But, oh, since you were the one to find the gulyasan, you will cook this for my sister later, okay?
Game.
Oh,
Game, Kuya Jay. Come on. Do you have a map? Shubi, do you have a map?
Bakit? Dami mong tanong ah.
Because I'm getting lost in your eyes.
Ang paligid.
Ay, nako. Di, tama yan yung ituloy yan, ha, mga kapuso. Ito, tingnan nyo, kayo ba? Papasa na ba yung manliligaw ng kapatid ko na si Shubi? Kayo na pong umusga, tulungan nyo ako mag-decide. Anthony, take it away.
Lagi nyo alam, kaming samahan dito sa Pambansang Morning Show kung saan laging una ka. Una ka!
Okay, salamat sa pakikilig, mga igan. Rocco Nasino, salamat!
Thank you.